Hello. I want to tell you about such a snack for a festive table, as baskets with mushrooms. In taste they differ from ordinary tablets, because we have the filling baked together with the dough. First of all, we will deal with the filling. We cut the washed mushrooms into plate. Put the sliced mushrooms in a preheated frying pan and fry in butter. As soon as the mushrooms let the juice, salt and pepper to taste, then stir fry until the moisture evaporates. While the mushrooms are cooling, we will finely chop the dill. Add dill and sour cream to the cooled mushrooms and mix everything thoroughly. The filling is ready. Now let's make the dough. Grate the butter on a fine grater. Before using, I put the oil in the freezer. When it freezes a little, it is easier to grate it. Put the butter in a separate bowl and add the remaining ingredients. This is flour, baking soda, salt, sour cream and mix thoroughly. The dough should be soft and almost not stick to your hands. We will lubricate the muffin molds with vegetable oil. Now we will make baskets. We take a small piece of dough and distribute it along the walls and bottom. Each mold is 1 to 2 millimeters thick. We put the finished filling in baskets and send it to the oven preheated to 180 degrees for 15 minutes. While the baskets are baking, we will grate the cheese on a fine grater. At the end of the time, we take out the baskets, sprinkle with cheese and send it back to the oven for another 10 minutes until the cheese melts. Our yummy food is ready. I wish you successful culinary masterpieces. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. There will be a lot of delicious and